I got a delivery box from Flipkart this morning. Let's see what it is. Whole packages like this, it is so big, and so I just thought, did they send something wrong by mistake, and even about getting scolded and even replacement dot, but I was wrong. We packed it very carefully. If you order something small but you got a jumbo size box, don't panic. Okay, now the package is like this, as you can see, and it is a Faber-Castell oil pastel, and it has 50 shades. The box is so big and heavy than I thought, and it looks so bright. In the backside they give guidelines for how to use it in different ways, like blending colors and overlaying, and then sgraffito and color mixing. If you want to know about all this, tell me in the comments. Here the MRP is 170 rupees. I bought it for 148 rupees plus 5 super coins, and now it is dropped to 139 rupees plus 5 super coins. I'll post the link in the description box. This is not a promotional video, and it is my first set of oil pastels, so I am just sharing with you. Now, let's see what is inside. It looks so amazing. They wrapped it like candies. It has a lot of different types of shades. I'm gonna remove the cover. There is a label inside. I don't know where we have to use it. I think we have to stick it in the front side of the box like this. In the back side of the label they give instructions for how to participate in Faber-Castell contest. Sorry, I can't able to focus it clearly, so I have added its photo. Once again, sorry, it is not a label, as you can see it is a coupon to an art contest. We have a white color scratch tool inside. Now let's take a closer look of the different shades. The scratch tool is hard and its quality is too good. Now the number check starts. And it has 50 shades. It is nice to use too. And this is for some people who think like me. This is how the box looks like after removing the pastel tray, and this is how the back side of the pastel tray looks like.